saw a young boy down in the gutter. He was starting to foam in the heat. And be gone, gone, gone. We are here. If you can't tell, it's pretty dark out. I don't think the camera's picking up hardly anything out there. Gonna try out some like late fall, almost winter camping. I'm curious to do some stuff when it starts snowing. We're not gonna see any of that this weekend, but so yeah, just pulled in Friday night and gonna get some things set up and probably just crawl in the back and hang out for a little bit before it's bedtime. Yep, it do be a bit chilly. We need to get some heat going anyway. The big boy. This guy. Alright, temperature to start 31.8. Well, it's been probably 15 or 20 minutes, and I'd say that's pretty successful. So I think it's about time for bed. I'm gonna probably kill this and then call it a night. Well, made it through the night. It was a pretty cold one. This thing came in clutch. Anytime I had to get up to go to the bathroom or just got too cold, I could turn that on for a little bit and it would start to heat things up pretty quick. Definitely some improvements to be made in here. I feel like I'm losing a lot of heat through the windows because obviously those curtains aren't helping much. So I might try to make some kind of insulator for those. Also, this sleeping bag. This is not cold weather rated. Made it through. Heater helped. Feeling pretty good. Got the eggs and veggies mix. Are you coming down the stairway? Yeah. Look at all the leaves down there. Once you get down in there, it's like 2 feet deep of leaves.
Off-road for a day.
What's that?
That's enough off-roading for a day. outside when it's this cold, you burn more calories anyways.
It's actually pretty good. Actually, some stars too.
Yeah, I didn't get here until like 9 yesterday. That was my first thought when I got out of the truck. I was like, wow, look at all the stars.
He's just in the lobby watching porn on his phone. It's connected to his truck. It's like a hot fudge sundae. we gotta do a sampler. This looks like a mudslide.
Wow.
I'm going to say the second night was a much better success when it came to thermal management. I actually slept the whole night through without, like, waking up and freezing. A couple lessons learned. The sleeping bag's actually pretty good, but you have to have a liner. Preheating the truck before I got in helped. It was like 65 when I climbed in here. And just wearing some warmer clothes helped. What's really nice is that when the sun comes up, it'll really heat the inside. So right now we're sitting at almost 61 degrees in here. And outside it's like 35, and I don't have the heater on. Something I'll keep in mind is if the sun's out, have the curtains up. So yeah, big fan. Learned some lessons, and I could definitely take this into some colder weather now.